Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Sinha and most welcome again on my channel. So here I am back with my another video of MS Word which we were doing already in the series of tools of word processor and all. And this is the next topic and next chapter you can say, and the name of the lesson is formatting a document. So this lesson is maybe new for you because you are a beginner for this chapter. So we are going to talk in this lesson about first thing, what does a formatting mean? You can see on my whiteboard the answer clearly written. I'll read and explain. But before that, I would like to just give you just a glance of the meaning of the word that is formatting. Formatting means if you are simply ask me what do you say when a person completely change, we call it makeover, right? When you make over anything, we call it formatting. So formatting means changing the appearance means the look. Okay, look of anything, if you change, we call it appearance of a document. If a document is written and you want to change the appearance, as you can see it is written in a cursive, but or maybe in a blue and black color, now you want to change the color or the size of letters or anything, any kind of change you want to provide, that is called the appearance. And we call them, this written part is called document. Anything which you can see in a writing or typed one, we call it a document. So the answer will be formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it, for the reason why will we change the appearance, to make it attractive and appealing. What does this meaning of appealing? Appealing means which when you see and you will love, that means in a first glance, first view, you started liking that, and that is called appealing. As you can see, the cartoon books or the very beautiful magazines whose papers are very pastel one, and the very creative drawings are given there. So, and what we are allowed to do the change, the first is the size of the letters or the size of the words which we write, or you may change the color, or the bullet means like point wise we are writing, point wise, point 1, point 2, point 3, suppose we are writing. I'll show you one example, right? See, suppose I'm writing anything, points to remember. Now we have some points, and the first point, this sign is called bullet. If I am writing in Roman, this is also called a bullet. If I am writing in alphabet, this is also called a bullet. So this we call bullet. Points to remember, first point about formatting, about text, about font. So these are the points to remember. These symbols are called bullet. Okay, so the examples are size, color, bullet, or numbers, case. Case means what? Suppose I use capital L, small l. This is uppercase and this is lowercase. This is the uppercase and this is lowercase. You can say a capital letter is called uppercase and the small letter is called lowercase. So we call it case in computer. And then style of writing. Style means you may write in a capital, you may write in a cursive, or you may change some more style. So the answer of this question, formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive and appealing. Example, size, color, bullet, number, case, and style. Now the next topic which we'll cover in this video, define the term font. What does it mean? How will you change the font in your document? What is the font? Font means the text which we type in different size and designs. We have so many options in font. Font is a style of writing. Everyone has their own font, everyone has their own style, and every style is called font in computer, like Calibri, Adobe. And when you click on the font option, you will get a lot of options there. And the steps are, steps to change font: select the text first, click on home tab, font box in a font group. This is step 2. And the step 3 is list will appear, choose any font style and click. So these are the 3 steps, simple steps we'll follow for changing the font, and hope you'll understand the meaning of font. Font is a text style. Now we'll cover the third question, which is list the different change case options in MS Word 2010. Already we discussed that we have cases, 2 cases, uppercase and lowercase. You will be amazed to know that why we are saying here different cases. We have only 2 options. Then how will we do another one? But we have 5 options actually. First is sentence case. In this, the first letter is only capital. As in this sentence, you can see only formattings. F is capital, rest all are in a small. This is called a sentence case. The second is lower. All the letters of the sentence is in small. Like in this sentences, all the letters are in a small. So this is, we call it lower case. Third is uppercase. In this, all the letters are in capital. Means everything what you will write, everything will be in the capital. Suppose I have written this sentence, font box in font group. So F of the font, B of the box, I of the in, F of the font and G of the group. Every letter will be in a capital. The 2 more is capitalize. In this capitalize one, we select some of the words and make them capital. Not all, but we can select to make it attractive. The last one is very tricky one, and that is the toggle case. You might have seen the greeting cards where very different pretty writings are given, and you will be also trying those writings. That is in toggle. What happens, it is written random letters. Random letter means, suppose I will write in a toggle form. Happy. You can see there is no symmetry in my writing. Some letters are in capital and some are in small. If we merge this kind of letters, some are capital and some are small, we call it toggle case. So hope you will get this video about chapter formatting a document. Regarding any queries, please mention down in my comment box, and please copy down everything which is written on the board. And for this, I think you will be very much comfortable about formatting, font, then case, then bullets and their styles. So please watch it carefully and note it down, and keep watching other videos too, which will come in the series of this chapter. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.